Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Game Center is ready on your device. Go to Settings and verify your Apple ID is signed in so the game can authenticate. Once done, make sure you have an active Wi-Fi or cellular connection because Game Center needs network access to sync. Then open Shadow Fight 2 and tap the profile or in game settings immediately. This triggers the connection flow. Do this now so the game can prompt Apple's login and permission dialogues without delay. You'll continue by entering Shadow Fight 2 in game settings and selecting Game Services or Connect Game Center. This is the core action that starts authentication. When the Apple ID dialog appears, allow the requested permissions. This authorizes saving and achievements. If asked, choose the correct Apple ID when multiple accounts appear. Make sure to watch for spinning sync icons and a success message. They confirm progress. If sync looks stuck, toggle the Connect button once you finish by confirming the game displays your Game Center name, achievements, and cloud save status, which proves the link is complete. If you don't see synced progress, force close Shadow Fight 2 and reopen it to trigger a fresh sync. Make sure to give it a minute. One key troubleshooting tip. If the connection fails repeatedly, sign out of Game Center in Settings, reboot the device, then sign back in. This clears stale tokens and often resolves authorization errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.